In this video tutorial, we're looking at how to count people. Now, when you count things in Japanese, you have to add a counter to the number word, depending on what it is you're counting. In the case of people, you add nin, but it's not quite that simple because the first two are exceptions to the rules. One person, there it is in kanji, and it's pronounced
一人
two people, in kanji, pronounced
二人
three people, pronunciation
三人
four people,
四人
five people,
五人
six people, there's the kanji,
六人
seven people, there's only one way of writing it in kanji, but two ways to pronounce it. It can either be
七人
or nananin. Eight people,
八人
nine people,
九人
and 10 people.
10人
So that's how you count from 1 to 10. Now we need those numbers to be able to answer the question, how many people in your family? And to ask that in Japanese, we say, nannin kazoku desu ka? Nannin kazoku desu ka? You can see the Japanese use what plus the person kanji to indicate how many people. Nannin kazoku desu ka? And to reply, you say the number of people and then simply kazoku desu. So if you have 3 people in your family, you would say sannin kazoku desu. 4 people, yonin kazoku desu. 5 people, gonin kazoku desu. Let's practice it together. I'm going to ask you how many people in your family. You look at the picture clue and answer for the picture. By the way, when you give the number of people in your family, you include yourself, and you also include anybody who's living in your household. So if you're living with your grandparents, for example, you can choose to add them to the number of people in your family. There's an element of personal choice in how many people you say. But for the purposes of this activity, we're going to count everybody in the picture. Nannin kazoku desu ka? 6人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 4人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 5人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 6人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 3人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 4人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 4人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 6人家族です。何人家族ですか？ 2人家族です。And if you'd like some more information about counting families and talking about families, then watch the linked video.